Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we will be looking at the weather condition for next 4 weeks. So for that, I will be using the ECMWF website so that you will also see how to go to those forecasts. So just type uh, on your browser uh, ECMWF forecast. Okay, so just type ECMWF long range forecast. Then you will just click on the first link and you will be redirected to the main page of the forecasts. So the first thing in the right hand side of this page, you will note the products button, two buttons. So one will be long range chart, second one will be long range data. So you should choose the long range charts and you will be on the main page for the various forecast products. So here we have medium range, extended range, and long range, which is for months. So if you want to see for months, you can of course select this one. And for let's try for first of all for months, and then we will try to see the weekly forecast. So first, let's start with the temperature, which is much of the concern as summers are on our doors. So let's from the global, let's go to the Southern Asia or Southeast Asia rather. In the Southeast Southern Asia would be work better, I guess. Yeah. So what this is the tertile summary. Let's see the ensemble mean. So it will give us a more idea. So what it is saying that for February, March, and April, the temperature ECMW is expecting is little less. So I don't know why and to what extent it is correct. It is expecting lower temperature. From March, April, May, again over the continent, lower temperature. Again, it is April, May, June, lower temperature. So the summer looks like, I don't know to what extent it is correct, but it appears that the summer is likely to be little less intense. But I am a little unsure about it whether it will be going to turn out to be correct or not. So let's start with the 12 days forecast. They might be more accurate. So let's look at the 2 meter temperature. Here, if you look at the, let's select the Southern Asia. Now it will give us the weekly forecast for temperature, 2 meter temperatures. If you look at here, uh, the temperature over most of the Indian region are likely to remain above normal. The above normal temperature will be around of the, I mean, 1-2 degrees Celsius, somewhere near somewhere 1 and 2 degrees Celsius above normal. Now, if we go for next week, 70 February to 24 of February, you will again see the similar temperature distribution based above normal anomalies. If we go for 24 February to 3rd of March, same picture, some negative temperature anomalies over the southern peninsula India near Bangalore. Otherwise, most of the regions are above normal. If you look at from 3rd March, which is 3rd March to 7th of March, again we have a significantly above normal temperature anomaly over the southern peninsula India, little lower temperature. So yeah, again same picture. 10 to 17 March, we have above normal temperature over most part of India. There are pockets of lower temperature, but they are not as reliable because these are very small scale regions which can be altered with time, which can change with time. So we need to be a little careful and deciding whether these small variations are true. So overall, if we look at the large scale picture, it appears to me that the next 4 weeks likely to be warmer than normal. So summers are on just on our doorstep. So I think we should be prepared for it. So I think winters are almost over. Now, what about temperature? What about rainfall? So let's go to again rainfall and select the precipitation products, and let's see the weekly precipitation anomalies for Southern Asia. And let's make it full screen. And again, let's see about what about precipitation. So if we look at the precipitation, uh, it is again below normal over most part of India for first week from 10th of February to 7th of February. Okay, so this is for 10th of February, 10th of February, 10th February to 17th of Feb. Okay, so this is for that duration. Now, what about next week? Let's close it down. And now, what about next week? So this is from 17th to 24th of February. So this is the next week. Then let's see if whatever it is. Let's clear it up a little bit. So I mean, clear out drawing. So yeah. So this is from. I think you can see this. My cursor. Yeah, this is the 17. Let's make it highlighted so I can now see you better. So this is 17 February to 24th of February. Again, we have below normal temperature anomaly over most part of India. Uh, However, we have some positive anomaly over the Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, and Himachal region. So we can expect uh, onset of one more western disturbance, or perhaps few more western disturbance after 17th February. So next 10 days, I think we have to be better likely to be quite over the northern India with above normal temperature distribution. Now, what we can expect from 24th of February to 3rd of March. Over extreme north part of India, which is Jammu and Kashmir, again we have positive precipitation anomaly, but over the peninsula, over central part of India and most other regions of India, it is likely to be slightly normal and below normal. So it is likely to be drier than normal. But southern peninsula India, we can have a thunderstorm formation from the from in the last week of February or first week of March, which is likely to continue. So southern India again expected to have some thunderstorm activity from 3rd March to 10th of March, and which will going to intensify from the 7th March to 17th of March. 17th of March. So southern peninsula India likely to get most out of this pre-monsoon activity. So I think it will be good for Bangalore and Chennai and all these regions which usually gets most of the heat from the March and April. Yeah, so this is all about the 4 weeks forecast, and I will see you in the next video if any changes occurs by in the next week. And till then, I will continue the daily forecast. And also, if I find something interesting, some interesting phenomena, I will start discussing those as well. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.